Lucid dreaming. For those who don't know what it is, it's just like magic. For those who know what it is, it's a theory or a concept. But those who experienced it and have used to it, is for them is a glory. It's an honor to be in a lucid dream. It's nothing. It's not too much complicated as seen or as you may think. It's just simple. A dream in which you get lucid. Nothing. That much simple. Just two words combined. Lucid dream. Enough. But the main concept here is something different. In this you get your own world, your own spirituality, your own mindset, your own peoples. You will become and feel like God in there. You can do whatever you want to do. Just those things that you can't even think of. One dream I just ran from building, jumped from one building to another building, and that's not the only thing I have done. I killed three people. Not I killed them, but I feel them killing. And the best part in a lucid dream that you don't only see that you are dreaming, you also feel it. If you got a cut there, you will feel the cut there. If you watch the movie Inception, the 2010 blockbuster, that's the same concept. But for them, they got a machine and some chemicals to approach it like easily, but in reality, it's not a movie. But the thing is, you can do it. Anyone in this field can become expert. The only thing they need is practice, patience, and love. And the most important thing is, of course, some consciousness, concentration, do meditation, these type of thing. But if you combine all this, you will get the lucid dreaming. Now the main part is come. Everyone knows what is lucid dreaming, but when you open YouTube, you will see like lucid dreaming in 2 minutes, lucid dreaming tonight, lucid dreaming this, that. That's just rubbish. The only, the bestest way, not the only, but the bestest and the most impressive way I have used to get in lucid dreaming is the Pratham method. Of course, Pratham method because I just invented it. So, the first thing you have to do it before sleeping, half an hour before, not half an hour, 1 hour before. Make your schedule of sleeping. Then second step is always before sleeping do half an hour meditation. If you can't do half an hour meditation, do it separately. And when you became of capable of doing meditation half an hour or 20 minutes, then you can go to next step, which is step number 3. Drink green tea. I used to drink green tea, so my brain just know that it's going to sleep. Now, green tea. And the next is the fourth and the most important part where everything happens. It's writing. Writing in a page that I will have an awesome lucid dream. I will do this in my lucid dream. Just fill a one page, fill only using dreams about it. That if I will get in lucid dream, I will do this, I will do that, and then sleep. Just simply sleep. Now you are sleeping. But that's not the end of the steps. There's more to steps. And the next step is waking up after 5 hours. If you are a person like me who only used to sleep 6 hours or 5 hours on daily basis, and for you it's very hard to manage, just think of before you wake up every day. Like I wake up at 4:30. Sorry, 4:30 at 3:30. So I used to put my alarm on 2. So alarm is on 2, alarm ring. The best part is, and the most important thing is, remember always do a very soft and very light tone alarm. Don't get with like Call of Duty alarm or IGR blah, blah, blah. Nope. That's going to disturb you. But if you use not like very soft that you are not able to wake up, do like little hard. It's not so soft hard. hard. I used to get a month, Vishnuji's month. I don't know what's the main name of that month, but that's very good. It's a very soft and peaceful song. Play, and it's very peaceful and beautiful. So when I wake up, it gives me positivity. So now you are waking up at 2 a.m. You wake up, you open your eyes, see here and there, just feel that you are in real life, and then lay down back and use your fingers like you are playing piano from it. Only two fingers, not very hardly, not very soft. Yes, very, very softly. Very softly means you are not moving it, you are just vibrating it. Very slow vibration. 1 2 5 5 millimeter up, 5 millimeter down, 5 millimeter up, 5 millimeter down, with both of your fingers, only two fingers. And while this doing, just say to your mind, I will wake up in my lucid dream, I will wake up in my lucid dream, I will wake up in my lucid dream. This, and congratulations, now you are wake up in your dream. And for a reality check, always do these two things in when you are not in the dream. So when you will be in the dream, you will easily get recognized by that. Just stand anywhere and stop for a while and see your surrounding and say, this wall get decorated, this fan get off, this cap get closed. These type of things means if you are in a dream and you say this, then that will happen. If you will say wall you get decorated, and in your real life, then the wall will be like still, nothing changed, just idle. But if you will be in the dream, something magical will happen, and the wall we get very your type of decoration, the decoration you wanted on that wall, your imagination wanted on that wall, the best imagination that you can have. It's just like this. REM sleep movement, profit benefits you all know, increase in concentration, meditation, something. But here you will get your freedom of doing anything. Anything means anything, you can do anything.